Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. It's a mini keyboard, as you can see, with backlit. So this is a box packing, and here you can see connect to PCs, notebooks, tablets, Xbox, PS3, cellulars, smartphones, of course using OTG, and then smart TVs, Android TV boxes. So you can connect all this stuff to this remote, and this is Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. It's a mini keyboard, yeah, but it cost me around 500 on Amazon, so this is a very cheap one. So let's quickly open this. Alright, nothing else in the box. This is the keyboard, and this is the user manual, instructions, and all the stuff. A few important things you need to know about. Here you can see the operation voltage 3.3 volt, operation current 50 milliampere, and charging current is 300 milliampere. So you should not charge it with more than 300 milliamps. Well, you can go up to 500 milliamps, but not more than that. So this is the keyboard. You can see this is a keypad and all the keys are there. This is for mouse left click button, mouse right click button, and home page up, page down. All the keys are there, and all the F keys, all that. And there you get some navigation keys, and here you get multimedia keys like play, pause, volume up and down. And this is the touchpad, a mini touchpad, just like the laptop. So you touch it with one finger, that will be a left click, and a three finger, that will be a right click, and two finger to scroll the screen like that. So that's it, and it looks very nice and handy. You can see in my hand, there it is, and the design is like the, let's say, the game controller, which is very good. And at the top you can see this is the on-off button, and here is the USB charging port, micro USB charging port. That's it. And this is the battery compartment. This is a battery, it's BL5C battery, and this is the receiver. Alright, this is out now. So let's close these. Okay, now let's turn this on. You can see these two lights are blinking. And now, alright, now and for the backlit, you need to press this function button and the F2 button at the same time. Bang! You can see the green light. Bang! The blue. Bang! The red. So these are the Rgb colors, and so you can operate this in the dark, like when you're watching movies in the dark. So that's a very good thing. And now what to do, let's connect it. Alright, so this is the Redmi Note 4G phone, and this is a gift from my brother, so that's why I kept it alive still. Now I have connected the OTG, and there is the receiver of this keyboard. So now let's check it out. Let's turn this on, and there is the mouse cursor. You can see that is the cursor here, and it's moving. Let's go to the settings. Okay, it's Bluetooth. Nice. And this is the escape. Let's check it. Wow, that's nice. So let's check the security. Here it is. Cleaner. So now I can see it's working perfectly, and it's very handy, so you can use it with anything you want. And I bought this for my smart TV, so this is a good thing for smart TV. You can easily use this smart features, and also you can use the YouTube, and it will be very easy to typing there on YouTube using this keypad, and also everything is fine. So this is it. This was unboxing and testing video of this mini keyboard, and if you want to buy it, I'll give the link in the description below, so please check it out, and subscribe to my channel and share the video with all your friends and everyone. So alright, so this is the Redmi Note 4G phone.